Hi everyone, I'm Melanie and I do food hauls. If you would have watched the last video, you would have seen I did a weekly food haul at Aldi, and I said I went to another shop and I'll probably be doing a couple more shops to make up the weekly food shop. So I'm going to show you what I got from Tesco. That noise you can hear in the background is my dog eating. So I got one of these the other day from Tesco for £2 and they're on offer in, not Tesco, Asda, they're on offer in Tesco for £1.50. This was also on offer for £1.50 and it sounds amazing. Love the colour. My favourite's the Flora. I always get one when I see one. Steamed beetroot in vinegar. Oh, I didn't know they were in vinegar. Oh well. I got some gluten, wheat, milk and egg free pasta to try. Some Fibre One, 4 triple choc cake bars. 2 boxes of the Graze chocolate salt wow bites bakes because they're amazing. A beef patty, they're absolutely tasty. Spring onions, bounce almond. These were on offer for £1.47. It says it's clearing them, so I don't know if they're going to be around anymore. Pomegranate seeds, foil, some cherries, they're £1. Nurofen and paracetamol. Lenore Ruby Jasmine, which is on offer for £2 and is my favourite fabric conditioner. The scent is amazing. And I thought I'd try the Aussie Mega shampoo because I've heard a lot about it and it was on offer for £2. And that is everything I picked up today. I will be going to the shop tomorrow, which is typically my normal weekly food shop day. And I'll do a little food shop as well, which will be up in a few days' time. If you have any questions about anything you've seen here, please leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell notification to get an alert when I do upload that video. I'll be back in a couple of days. Thank you for watching.